gonna go over our hundreds. We're starting every workout with our hundreds. So I thought I would break it down a little bit more for you.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and lay down on the mat. And from here, arms are long by the side. We're gonna walk the feet and knees together, lifting the legs to tabletop. We can do our hundreds in tabletop, or we can extend the legs long, heels together, toes apart. Maybe up to 90 degrees or down to 45 degrees, making sure your lower back does not arch. If you're in tabletop, the knees are over the hips, the ankles are in line with the knees, shins are parallel to the ceiling. Pumping the arms, it's not too big, it's not too little, it's just little punches, like you're splashing water from the lats. We're gonna lift the sternum up. You wanna make sure that you're not letting your head hang back and take tension into the neck. You want to make sure you soften the chin towards chest, you lift up through the chest, you sink that navel to spine, you look at that belly button, and we are going to get ready from here. Combine it all, legs lift up, nice big inhale. Exhale, we round up. Option for long legs, we start pumping the arms. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. The arms are pumping. It's a movement from the lat to the base of the shoulder blades. We're connecting the back into our abdominal work. If your legs are long, I want you to get the heels together, toes apart, squeeze the inner thighs. If we have the legs in tabletop, our legs are zipped up, our knees are over the hips, our ankles are right in line with the knees. Keep going. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure you're looking at your belly button. You're not taking tension into the neck. You're sinking that navel point back, and you made it through your hundreds. Give your knees a hug, rock side to side. Take a little release off of that lower back.